Hey everyone, I would like to welcome y'all to the No Fix Studio. If you like the video, please subscribe and click the like button. In today's video, we will be unboxing Tammy Taylor. I love Tammy Taylor. You never opened a Tammy Taylor package. She always packages it with popcorn. And I got a thank you card from Tammy Taylor. And it's a, it's time to nail party. Here at Tammy Taylor Nails, my team strives to provide you with the most fabulous service. Each package is individually filled with love and blessings. Hope you enjoy. Love, Tammy. Which is Merry Christmas. This holiday season seems more special than ever before. What a blessing to be able to spend Christmas with all of our family and friends. May God bless you with hopes and faith and fill your home with joy, love, peace, and the Christmas spirit. With love, Tammy Taylor and the Tammy Taylor family. So with this packet, I only bought a couple of things. Some of these things are kits, so they come with it, right? I bought the extra adhesive liquid, the Christmas dinner powder collection. I bought the year-round dazzling rock collection, the weekender kit extra long signature. I bought the cocoa prisma collection. I bought the hazelnut prisma powder. No, the weekender kit long square, and this came up to $324.65. And as I showed you before, it's a whole lot of popcorn, so I'm gonna keep this box to the side and just go through it like that so we can have room. The first thing that is in here is the nail liquid extra adhesion. Always be safe with knives or whatever you use to open things. So this is this. I bought the, how many ounces is this? 16 fluid ounces. So that is one of the things. Let's see, let's dig through the popcorn. I feel something right here. So this is the weekender kit. Comes with 2 zippers, that's cool. I tend to like to flip mine when I get little boxes like that is squared. I like to flip them to the back so it'll be easier to get things out of. Like that. So now you're just flipping out, and it gives you step-by-step instructions on how to use the tips. And then you get the tips. And here, this is the medium long. This is a 4. Way too big for a lot of my fingers. I have very small fingers. It's kind of weird. Like I got fat hands with small fingers. But yeah, so this is her medium long. As you can see here, medium long. And it comes with the glue. It comes with the tip glue. This is, no, actually this is thick resin. Step 3, they say. It comes with party starter brush on glue resin. Step 1. And then this one is step 2. The activator hardener. Step 2. So it's 1, 2, 3. It also comes with little stickers that are cute. I already like that. Comes with a lot of different little stickers. It comes with the weekender, are you ready to nail party? And then it comes with nails are always fun and never feels like work. Comes with a brush, nail brush, whatever. And it comes with wooden stick, or orange wood stick. And it comes with 2 files. comes with the washable disinfectant 180 grit big zebra. I like the smaller ones, but this is to be used on yourself personally, basically, I think. And this one is the clean finish buffer file, washable and disinfecting. And then it has different little things at the bottom. So that's that. This is the medium long weekender kit. The powder, I couldn't wait to see. The cocoa, like these colors are so, like, as you can see, my skin tone. This one is caramel macchiato. This one is hazelnut latte, like a little bit lighter color. This one is cocoa mocha, or coca mocha, however you want to pronounce that. And this one is espresso bean. And I think I'm gonna like this color the most. And I am gonna swatch these in another video. Just not this one. This one is the Dazzle Rock. I think this one is the year-round collection, so it's something that you can use year-round. I'm guessing that's what they want you to do with that one. They really take their time and package these. So we have Dazzle Rock Gold Icicle. And this color is beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Whew. Okay, wait. And then we have Dazzle Rock Champagne Halo Ice. This is beautiful too. And it's like a little bit chunkier. Oh, it has this on there. Let's just take it off. Not like this stuff can expire, because I don't think this has acrylic in it, right? It's just the dazzling stuff. Still for protection. Okay, there we go. Like that stuff is just popping up when you do that way. But look at that. So gorgeous. Look at that. So gorgeous. Okay, Tammy. They made sure this stuff wasn't gonna leak out. Look at that. Oh my God. Oh my God, look at that. You can't tell me this is not beautiful. I'm happy I actually picked it up. I was like saying, like, do I really want this? Because I'm not really a glitter girl. But, you know, sometimes it's better late than never, right? And then we got Dazzling Rock Halo Ice. So this is Champagne Halo Ice, and this is just Halo Ice. These things are tight. Oh my God, it's 9 o'clock at night. And this one is pretty too. Look at that. See that? So pretty. So pretty. So that is the, pretty sure. All right, so this one is the Year-Round Rock collection. My double XL sketch, baby, yes. So again, you get the 3 steps. I just want to look at the length of the nails, you know. We already see what was in the kit. These ones look pretty long. And the box is even different, like, what? You see this? Yes, yes, yes. Ah, that's a big one. Look at that. That is long, baby. That is really long. Like, wow. Look at that. Okay. Okay, Tammy. This was a good price, so I bought it. Even though we know Christmas has passed and the colors are like red and things like that, but that's my motto. Always cut away from you. I had to get it. It was only, how much was this? $59.95. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. And then you get the Christmas dinner stocking stuffer. So this is stocking stuffer. It has little glitters in there, fine glitters. This one is Christmas dinner sparkling cranberry. The color on the top. And then this has very fine, like there's so little crystals in it too. This is Christmas dinner stocking stuffer, but this one has glitter in it. I wonder if they put the, oh no, you see the glitter on the top too. This one just more darker red. This one is green, Christmas dinner under the tree. And you can tell it has glitter in it too. You can just tell by the color and the side. This one you will need to definitely shake up when you use it. But that's pretty too. You can use red and things for Valentine's Day too, and that's coming up. This one is Christmas dinner peppermint kiss. It doesn't look like it has any glitter in it. Then we have Christmas dinner Bing cherry. This has a little glitter in it too. Can't wait till I swatch all these. But I'm not swatching them in the unboxing. I know some people do that, but I would not be doing that. I would be doing that when I show y'all how I store things. And this one is Christmas dinner candy cane crunch. Yeah, no, well, it does have glitter in it, but you can't really see it from here. Oh yeah, you kind of can. This is more like the iridescent powder type stuff in that one. So that is the Christmas one. And I believe that is everything. So we have the extra adhesion liquid. We have the Christmas collection. We have the year-round dazzling rocks, because you can use them year-round. That's always an addition to things. We have the extra long, the Weekender kit extra long signature. Then we have Cocoa Prisma collection. Then we have the medium long, the Weekender kit medium long square, and it comes in, they have 200 in this one. You have 200 tips in this one. You have 180 in the extra long. So it's just a 20 count difference. So you could get a platinum VIP club membership. For the medium kit, it's $43. For the cocoa, it's $59.95. Liquid is $59.95 for 16 ounces. For the Christmas powder, it's $59.95 for the powder. For the rock collection, it was $44.85 for the rock collection. And for the double X, it was $56.95. Please remember, if you dream it, plan it, so you can jump into action.